Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a Microsoft Outlook account. First, you need to go to the Microsoft.com where you have to go to the Outlook option. After creating this page, you have to go to the Create Free Account option, click on it. Then you'll be redirected to this page. In here, you need to write your new email address, whatever you want it to be. After that, you have to keep in it, you have to select next. Then they will tell you to create a new password for you. Create a new password. Then click next. Then enter your names, first name and last name. Then you have to click next. Then provide the information they are asking for. After providing the information, you need to select next. And then they'll tell you to beat the robots. You have to do it by clicking on solve puzzle. After solving puzzle, they will take you to a different page where they will ask you to stay silent or not. It's your option what you want to do. I'm not going to stay logged in, and so that's how you can create your own account in Outlook. The account is opening now. As you can see, the account is open now. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then make sure to like and share our video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.